Welcome to the ISO 45001 2018 training course. This course is your ultimate guide to mastering occupational health and safety management systems. Whether you're aiming to enhance workplace safety or ensure compliance with international standards, this training equips you with the tools, knowledge, and confidence to create a safer and healthier work environment for everyone involved. ISO 45001 2018 is a globally recognized standard focused on improving workplace health and safety. By implementing this standard, your organization can reduce workplace incidents, improve employee well-being, and create a culture of safety. It's more than compliance. It's about prioritizing the health and safety of your team while enhancing productivity and efficiency. Demonstrating your commitment to safety builds trust with employees and stakeholders, setting your organization apart as a responsible and forward-thinking leader in your industry. This course provides a detailed breakdown of ISO 45001 2018, explaining each clause and its practical application in your organization. We start with an introduction to ISO 45001, where you'll learn about the scope, purpose, and importance of this standard in improving workplace safety on a global scale. Next, we dive into the context of the organization, Clause 4, to help you identify internal and external factors impacting your OH&S system. You'll discover how to align your health and safety goals with broader organizational objectives and stakeholder needs. The Leadership and Worker Participation, Clause 5 module, focuses on the importance of leadership in promoting safety initiatives. You'll learn how engaging workers and fostering active participation contribute to a successful and sustainable OH&S program. In the Planning Clause 6 module, we'll guide you through risk and opportunity assessments, setting measurable OH&S objectives, and creating actionable plans to achieve them. You'll also explore methods to integrate these plans with your overall risk management strategies. The Support Clause 7 module emphasizes the role of resources, competence, and communication in maintaining a strong OH&S management system. You'll gain insights into developing effective training programs and ensuring the availability of necessary documentation. The Operation Clause 8 module outlines operational planning, emergency preparedness, and contractor management, ensuring safe practices across all day-to-day activities. Performance Evaluation, Clause 9, explains how to monitor and measure the effectiveness of your safety system using audits, reviews, and data analysis. These tools will help you identify areas for improvement and ensure compliance. Finally, Improvement Clause 10 covers methods for addressing nonconformities, implementing corrective actions, and driving continual improvement to maintain and enhance workplace safety over time. By the end of the course, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to apply ISO 45001 effectively in your organization, ensuring a safer and more productive work environment. This course is tailored for professionals responsible for workplace health and safety. It's ideal for health and safety managers, compliance officers, and HR managers focused on employee well-being. It's also valuable for risk management professionals, internal and lead auditors, and consultants specializing in ISO management systems. If your goal is to reduce workplace risks, improve safety culture, and ensure compliance, this course is designed for you. This course provides you with everything needed to master ISO 45001. You'll have access to a structured learning path with modules that explain each clause in detail. Our interactive tools, such as quizzes and real-world case studies, allow you to test and apply your knowledge effectively. We also provide downloadable resources, including checklists and templates, to guide you through implementation. Please note, these templates are samples to assist your learning, and the full documentation kit is sold separately. By the end of the course, you'll not only understand the standard, but also feel confident in implementing and maintaining a compliant OH&S management system in your organization. The ISO 45001 2018 training course is available for only $89. This self-paced course allows you to learn at your convenience, taking approximately 4 to 6 hours to complete. Enroll today directly through our website and start building a safer, healthier workplace for your team.